Hey friends, if you wish to remove the yellow border around the screen in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, other websites and solutions are blaming it on screen recording apps or screenshot apps rightly, but that is not the solution. Like switching off this app is not the solution. I'll tell you the exact solution. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab and scroll down to the absolute bottom. The third last option is screenshot borders. Now, if this switch is off, you may get a yellow tint, and if it is on, the yellow tint may go away. Okay, it depends on the app. Not all apps have the screenshot border. Like right now I'm using OBS and it's not giving the yellow border, so you can toggle it as per your advantage. This is the main solution if you don't want the yellow border, but yes, I will suggest you one thing. Keeping the yellow border is a security measure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.